The next step is to add iOS images. So to do that, you can click Edit Preferences. So that takes us back to the Preferences menu. And in this example, under Dynamips, I'm going to select iOS routers and click on New. I want to run the iOS on a remote computer. In other words, my ESXi server. Click Next. And as you can see, the image has been uploaded. I could select New Image. And in this example, I'm going to select a decompressed image. So 3725 decompressed image, and click Open. That is automatically uploaded to the ESXi server. I'm going to click Next. I'm going to call this C3725 ESXi VM, and click Next. I'm going to set the RAM of this router to 256, and click Next. I'm going to add a NM4T so that I get some serial interfaces on the router. Click Next. WIC 0 is going to have a WIC1T inserted. WIC 1 is going to have a WIC1T inserted. Click Next. A idle PC value has already been calculated. If it wasn't calculated, click on Idle PC Finder so that an idle PC value can be determined on the GNS3 VM. Click Finish. As you can see here, this GNS3 router is running on a server and not locally, so I'm going to click OK. So now when I select router, I can simply drag my routers into my topology in the same way that I would do as if it was running locally in GNS3. So I can add a link between my routers and then click on Start and open a console to each router. So the interface looks the same when running on a ESXi server as if you were running the software locally. The advantage here is that you can make use of the processing power of an ESXi server. So let's just configure a basic topology. I'll configure an IP address on router 1. No shut it. Do something similar on router 2. IP address 10.1.1.2. And then on router 2, can I ping router 1? And the answer is yes, I can. So the advantage here is I'm running GNS3 on my ESXi server. It's not running locally in Windows. Notice in the server's summary, the local server is grayed out. I'm running this on my remote GNS3 server, and you can see the CPU processing and RAM utilization is low. So a major advantage here is the client software is running locally in Windows, but the server software and the images are running on my remote server. This will allow me to create very large topologies without consuming memory on my local PC. And if I enable remote connectivity to the server, I'll be able to access this from anywhere. Now, once again, you don't have to run the VM in ESXi. In this video, I'm showing you that example. You could, as an example, run GNS3 in a cloud provider environment such as Packet or Amazon EC2. However, in summary, I'm running GNS3 within ESXi, so the server component is running on the ESXi server and the user interface is running on my local Windows PC.